Michelle again. Them say corruption don't chop our country, oh. Now them say we no go fit make 'em at all. Now them say our generation no get better future. But now like them talk, so I go throw away I'm talk my own. Oh, cause every word I speak is it for my destiny, yeah. So I'm just gonna speak for my prophecy.
I will be the light
in a dark and crazy world. I will be the one who sees the wrong and makes it right. And I'll take a stand, bringing change to my generation. I will be the light. Yeah, yes I am the one. I say there is hope for my generation. I say it is my time I've taken over. I say I'm witnessing a revolution, no. And not true I talk, so make una join me talk better.
talk better.
Yeah, cause every word I speak is it for